That is one hell of a hill right there. I believe I can go down this hill. Bill's gonna try to go up that hill. Oh shit. Yeah. Yes. That is scary. Gotta get me a four-wheel drive. Is there anywhere to go back there? YouTube. Is there anywhere to go back there?
Yeah, there's lots of places to go, but I don't want to go if you can't.
I'm gonna try. I mean, if it ain't like that, I can get there. If it's like this, I can get there. It's like this.
I was trying to sling some mud out of the tires. That's what I was trying to do right there.
I thought you were gonna go after this. Oh man, you're gonna go backwards. Dang.
No, if I get back up, I start sliding.